Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel Domestika for organizations, detailed guide step by step clearly. To cancel your Domestika for organizations subscription, begin by logging into your Domestika account.
Navigate to the settings section of your account. Locate the subscription tab within the settings menu.
Click on the Manage Subscription option. Review your subscription details to ensure you are in the correct section.
Find the Cancel Subscription link and click on it. You will be prompted to confirm your cancellation.
Carefully read any information provided regarding the cancellation process. Once you are sure, confirm your decision to cancel. After confirmation, you will receive a notification indicating that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. Keep an eye on your email for any confirmation messages from Domestika. Be sure to check your subscription's end date, as you may still have access until then. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Domestika's customer support for assistance. They can provide additional guidance if necessary. Ensure to save any important project files or data before your subscription ends. Following these steps will help you successfully cancel your Domestika for organizations subscription. Make sure to review your account settings after the cancellation to confirm everything is up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.